Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ o, níbikíbi tí ẹ bá wà tí ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wa. Orúkọ mi ni Fúnmi Kútì. A tún dé ní èní lórí ètò wa Èdè àti Àṣà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ní èní, a máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí oúnjẹ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Àwọn oúnjẹ wa ó ṣe pàtàkì, ó ṣe kókó. Today, we are going to be talking about Yoruba food. Yoruba food, we love our food and our food are special. And we have a way of preparing it. And we even have some song for some food that we sing with it. And there's a way we talk about food that makes it acceptable. The way we prepare it, even in the parties people use for parties and a lot of things. Other people that are not Yoruba, they enjoy our food too. Ní èní yìí, a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa oúnjẹ Yorùbá bí mo ṣe sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ká tó máa tẹ̀síwájú, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, tí ẹ ò bá ti subscribe, ẹ bá wa subscribe, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share ètò wa yìí. Ó dára púpọ̀ ká kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ní èdè wa, ní oúnjẹ wa, àṣà wa, torí ó ṣe pàtàkì, ó ṣe kókó. Òun ni nǹkan tí a fẹ́ fi lé àwọn ọmọ wa tí àwa náà bá dàgbà, káwọn ọmọ wa mọ̀ nípa ìṣe wa. Ká tó máa bá ètò wa lọ, Yorùbá máa ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan wípé iyán ló ń jẹ, ọkà lóògùn, àìrárá là ń jẹ̀kọ, kẹnu má dilẹ̀ òun ni ti gúgúrú. What does this mean? The Yoruba believe that iyán is the main food, which is pounded yam. Ọkà lóògùn, that is amala, is like a medicine. It is when you cannot find iyán or amala, that is when you eat ẹ̀kọ, which is one of the things we are going to be talking about today. That if you cannot find it at all, then that is when you eat ẹ̀kọ. Àìrárá là ń jẹ̀kọ. Kẹ́nu má dilẹ̀ ní ti gúgúrú. Gúgúrú is popcorn, and there is a way we make our own popcorn and the way it looks like. I'm going to be showing you in the video. So that is one of the saying in Yoruba regarding food. So as we go, we'll be showing the picture. Follow us and come along. Let's see our delicacy in Yoruba land together. Thank you. Àwọn oúnjẹ wa ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, oúnjẹ tí a máa ń jẹ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá oríṣiríṣi ni àwọn oúnjẹ tí a ní. Níbí yìí a sọ àwọn oúnjẹ wa tó ṣe pàtàkì. Ìkíní, iyán. Iyán jẹ́ oúnjẹ tó ṣe pàtàkì ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. A máa ń jẹ pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi. Níbi àwòrán yìí, ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí òun ni wọ́n fi ṣe eléyìí. Pounded yam is one of major food in Yoruba land. We eat it with different type of soup. In this particular picture, the soup that is used to eat this is egusi soup with some vegetable. Èkejì, àmàlà, yam flour. The yam flour is brown in color and is made from yam, a processed yam, which has been processed for some days before ground and then filtered to prepare the amala. And it is normally brown in color. And we eat it with different type of soup. As you see in this case, is ewedu and some meat and gbegiri soup. Ní ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì yìí, a rí àmàlà pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ ewédú àti gbẹ̀gìrì pẹ̀lú ẹran oríṣiríṣi. A máa ń jẹ àmàlà náà pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀. A lè jẹ pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀fọ́, a lè jẹ pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ ewédú, ọbẹ̀ tí a lè jẹ pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ ilá, ọbẹ̀ tí oníkálùkù bá ti fẹ́ràn jù ni a lè fi jẹ. Ìkẹta, ẹ̀bà. A máa ń jẹ ẹ̀bà pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi náà. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀bà jáde láti inú gàrí tí wọ́n ti ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí. Gari is made from this eba is gari made from the gari is made from cassava, processed cassava, and this processed cassava is turned into eba. And as you can see here too, we eat it with different type of soup. This particular soup here is egusi soup too with pomo, which is skin meat. So eba is one of the staple food in Yoruba land. Ìkẹrin, láfú. Lafu is cassava flour and is made from cassava, but the process is different from the other fufu. It's not fufu because lafu is like a processed cassava and that has undergone some fermentation and then dried, and then it turns into this lafu. And as you can see too, this can be eaten with different type of soup. Ìkarùn, fufu. Fufu. Fufu is also made from cassava. Fufu is wet. It is a kind of a raw cassava that is not dry. The process is not dry. It is raw cassava that is made from that this fufu is made from, and you can eat it with different type of soup too. Níbí yìí a rí pé fùfú yìí à ń jẹ pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ ilá, edé àti ẹja. Ìkẹfà, ẹ̀fọ́ rírò. Ẹ̀fọ́ rírò, spinach stew. Spinach stew, sometimes it may not be spinach. It is made from different type of vegetables. We use different type of vegetable to make this type of soup. Ẹ̀fọ́ rírò ó jẹ́ àwọn ẹ̀fọ́ tó ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. A máa ń jẹ ẹ̀fọ́ oríṣiríṣi. Ẹ̀fọ́ ṣọkọ, ẹ̀fọ́ tẹ̀tẹ̀, ẹ̀fọ́ àjẹmáwo fọ́, oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀fọ́ ló wà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ṣùgbọ́n níbí yìí ẹ̀fọ́ rírò tí a rí yìí a máa ń rò pẹ̀lú ata edé, ìgbín, ṣáwá, oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ni a lè fi sínú ẹ̀fọ́ rírò. In this particular ẹ̀fọ́ rírò, you can see there is a crayfish, you can put momo, you can put snake, you can put different kind of things. So ẹ̀fọ́ rírò is one of the major stew or something we eat with our food in Yoruba. You can eat it with pounded yam, with rice, with eba, with fufu, with all kinds of things. Ìkeje, bọ̀ọ̀lì, roasted plantain, bọ̀ọ̀lì. As you can see in the picture, roasted plantain is another thing that we Yoruba eat, and other tribe too, they eat it. But in Yoruba land, is one of the things that we eat too. And roasted plantain is made from both unripe and ripe plantain. It depends on how sweet you want it. So bọ̀ọ̀lì jẹ́ oúnjẹ kan tí a máa ń jẹ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀pà. So we eat it with groundnuts, and some people even eat it with stew. So it depends on how you like it. Ìkẹjọ, iṣu sísun, roasted yam. As you can see in the picture, iṣu sísun, which is called roasted yam, we roast it. After roasting it, you scrape the back and then you cut it. You can eat it with stew, with palm oil, and all kinds of things you like, whatever you like to eat it. It's also one of the major staple food that we eat in Yoruba land. Ìkẹsàn, dundu, yam fries or fried yams, whichever you call it. And dundu is made from yam too, but the way we make dundu is you peel the yam, you cut it, and then you fry it. You can put some things on the body. You can do so many things with it, and you can eat it with stew, with whatever you prefer to eat it. Ìkẹwàá, asaro. Asaro here is yam porridge. Asaro is called yam porridge, and as you can see on this picture, there is meat on it. You can eat it with so many things. Asaro is prepared by cutting the yam, cook it, and make your stew and cook it with together. You can put vegetables. You can put so many things in it. Asaro is also one of Yoruba food that we eat. We call it asaro elepo resuresu. Ìkọkànlá, ìkọ́kọrẹ́. Ìkọ́kọrẹ́ is made from water yam, and the water yam ewura. We call it iṣu ewura. It's water yam, and this is water yam porridge. This ìkọ́kọrẹ́ is a Yoruba food, especially the people from Ogun State. They eat it a lot. So ìkọ́kọrẹ́ is one of Yoruba food, and it's really, really delicious because you put so many things to eat it. You can put catfish, dry fish, all kinds of things to make it look so nice. You can put it into it, and it is really one of the food I think People that have not tried ìkọ́kọrẹ́ should try and taste it. Ìkọ́kọrẹ́ jẹ́ oúnjẹ tó dùn tó sì jẹ́ oúnjẹ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìkejìlá, ẹ̀kọ. Ẹ̀kọ is like a corn porridge. Ẹ̀kọ is a process, how will I say, corn that has been grounded and filter, remove all the shaft, and then cook, and it is made to become solid and make a shape with the leaf that is used to wrap it. The shape comes out, and then once it comes out that way, you can eat it with different kind of soup. As you can see in this picture, we have shaki, vegetables. You know, you can eat it with some, just like a goosey soup. You can eat it with anything. Even you can eat it with akara. You can eat ẹ̀kọ with moimoi. So many things. Ìkẹtàlá, gàrí. Gàrí is cassava flakes. That is another way we process gàrí. And then when we process cassava, when we process the cassava, we process it in such a way that it will be dry and it can stay for a long time at home. And anytime you need it, just take a little out of it. And then you can eat it with fish, with meat, with granules, so many things. In this particular case, you can see gàrí is being eaten with ẹja. That is fish, with fish. So gàrí tí wọ́n mú níbí yìí, a lè mú gàrí yìí pẹ̀lú ẹja, a lè mú pẹ̀lú ẹyin àgbọn, a lè mú gàrí pẹ̀lú nǹkan oríṣiríṣi. Ìkẹrìnlá, mọ́ínmọ́ín. Mọ́ínmọ́ín is a beans pudding. The bean pudding, as you know, we peel the beans, we process the beans, then you put all spices, a lot of spices into it, and you blend it, and then you wrap it and steam it. It's a steam, mọ́ínmọ́ín is a steamed beans, grounded steamed beans, and you can make it in different ways. And as you can see in this picture, it is being eaten with ẹ̀kọ, the one I've talked about before. So it's a very nice food, and mọ́ínmọ́ín can be used in all locations in Yoruba land. As you see here, they use it for party, they use it for so many things, and it's a staple food in Yoruba land. Mọ́ínmọ́ín jẹ́ oúnjẹ tó ṣe pàtàkì tí a bá ń ṣe ìnáwó ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. So ó jẹ́ oúnjẹ tí a fẹ́ràn dáadáa. Ìkẹẹ̀dógún, here we see rice. Of course, rice is not, which we call in Yoruba, we call it ìrẹsì. It's not that it's a particular Yoruba food, but it's one of the food that Yoruba will love a lot, and we eat it with dodo. Dodo is made from plantain too, which is ogede. So we make it, and we use it. We can eat the rice with jollof rice, or we eat it as white rice with stew. And when we eat all this food, it is very, very delicious because we love it a lot in Yoruba land, and it's one of the food that they cook in the party. So a máa fi ń ṣe àsè ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, a máa ń jẹ ní tí a bá ń ṣènáwó, bá ń ṣe kómọ, nǹkan oríṣiríṣi, even nínú ilé nígbà gbogbo. Ó jẹ́ oúnjẹ tó jẹ́ pé a máa ń jẹ jù. Ìkẹrìndínlógún, àkàrà, beans cake. Àkàrà is made from beans, and as you can see, just the way we process moimoi, the same way we process àkàrà. We process it, we peel it, we soak it, and then we blend it, and then we put any spices we like, we put it into it, and then once we put the spices into it, we mix it, and then we start to do the frying inside oil. Ìkẹtàdínlógún, ẹ̀wà, beans porridge. Ẹ̀wà is one of the food that is very, very special in Yoruba land, especially in where I come from. Beans is very important because they believe that ẹ̀wà is something that have to do with the twins, when we have twins. So any family that have twins in Yoruba land, they always cook beans for people. A máa ń ṣe ẹ̀wà fún àwọn ẹni tó bá ti bí ìbejì. Ìdílé tó bá jẹ́ ìdílé oníbejì, ẹ̀wà sísè ó ṣe pàtàkì. Ní ọdọọdún wọ́n máa ń ṣe ẹ̀wà, wọ́n máa ń ṣe ìnáwó lórí rẹ̀, torí ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá ni yí pé ẹ̀wà ó ní nǹkan ṣe pẹ̀lú bíbí ìbejì. Tí a bá parí eléyìí, orin tó jọ mọ́ orin ìbejì àti ẹ̀wà, a ó máa kọ ní ìparí.
ìkejìdínlógún gúgúrú is popcorn. This type of popcorn is not like the normal popcorn. This is the way they roast it with in Yoruba land. Guguru is one of those things that we eat too. So guguru is like a snack in Yoruba land. So this is all I have to talk about, and I'm sure there may be other ones that I didn't talk about. You can put it down on the comment section. Thank you.
Ní báyìí a ó máa kọrin orin tó jẹ mọ́ orin ìbejì epo àti ẹ̀wà. Now I'm going to be singing a short song that talks about the twin, beans, and palm oil, because the Yoruba believe that the twin, when they come, it has something to do with the beans and palm oil. So whenever we go to a place where they have twin in Yoruba land, they always have palm oil in those days and beans. They put it somewhere around the house, on the wall or on the bottle, and hang it, because their belief is that the God that gave them the twin is going to take care of the twin for them by cooking beans with palm oil. And the song goes like this. Epo ń bẹ wá ń bẹ o, 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 àyà mi ò já rárá o, àyà mi ò já láti bíbèjì, epo ń bẹ wá ń bẹ o, 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 àyà mi ò já rárá o, àyà mi ò já láti bíbèjì, epo ń bẹ wá ń bẹ o. The song says, I'm not afraid at all to have twins because I have beans and palm oil with me. I'm not afraid at all to have twins. Thank you very much. Níbí yìí ni a ó fi ètò wa láò parí ètò wa sí ní èní yìí. A dúpẹ́ gidigidi lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti wò wá, tí ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa like ètò, ẹ bá wa share, kẹ́dẹ̀ bá wa comment ní ibi section tó wà ní ìsàlẹ̀. Ẹ ṣeun gan ni. Títí di ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀, ó dìgbà kan náà.